The Kelly Okugbawa committee, where they in charge of recovering all missing government vehicles, don't recover 2 Toyota Hiace buses and 1 Helios, plus them also recover palliatives with a thief from one of the buses. Una go remember say Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo swear in the Kelly Okugbawa committee on Thursday 21st November 2024 to recover all the missing government vehicles where the past administration used. Our Tory person Osaze Egwaku report say, according to the committee chairman Kelly Okugbawa, over 200 vehicles they miss where the ex-governor Godwin Obaseki officers use. That's now why they formed the committee to recover all the vehicles.
We said something that we were going to do the job and those people will be happy. And by the grace of God, I'm glad to announce to you people this morning that we have recovered 3 vehicles, 2 Hiace buses and 1 Helios. So you can see in the space of 24 hours, we were able to recover this vehicle. And we are showing the Edo people and the state government that we are going to do this job to the best of our ability. We will make sure we will recover all the stolen vehicle. For the report that we have gotten so far, vehicle that is missing from this government is over 200. And we want to use this medium to appeal to the public that we need a whistleblower. We need somebody that will give us information, and by the grace of God, we will reward the person handsomely. Because this is not our property. It's a government property. It's our property as a Edo citizen. It is not good for one person to take government properties away. You can see these vehicles were recovered in one person's house. So imagine what would be in the custody of the former deputy governor, the one that was not known by the law, the one the governor said he was his deputy governor, the one, you can imagine the one that will be in the custody of the former SSG, the chief of staff. We have gotten all the information. So we are using this medium to appeal to them that we are giving them 48 hours to return those vehicles back to government house. They have our phone numbers, and we are going to give the phone numbers to the general public again. Please, information is key. This vehicle that was recovered this morning was true information. And we've told the person that we are going to reward him handsomely. And by the grace of God, we need more of this. And if you live here now, we are going to other places where they told us there are some vehicles. We'll follow the law. Follow the due process. That's why we have the security agencies with us. We have the police, we have the civil defense. So by the grace of God, they have been so cooperative with us.
For one of the Toyota Hiace buses, the committee can find palliatives where federal government sent to Edo people. Kelly Okugbawa can add say the palliatives include bags of rice and garri, where come in 10 kg and 25 kg packs.
This is the palliative that's supposed to be shared to Edo citizens. But we are surprised this morning. We find that inside is a horse. So you can see yourself. So that's what I said.
Can you tell us the content of this bag? Is it rice?
I think garri and some bag of rice.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.